Welcome. In front of me is a NUBIA Neo 3, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into recovery mode. So, to get started, you will first want to turn off your device by holding the power button and selecting power off from the two options that show up. Click on it twice. This turns off the device, and once the phone is off, you want to hold power button, and I believe it's going to be volume up. So hold both of these buttons together, and as you can see, this takes us to the recovery mode. When you do get taken here, you can let go of both of these buttons. I also want to give you a little bit of a heads up. Sometimes when you let go of the power button, it will automatically accept the first option, which is selected right here, Reboot System Now. So when letting go of these buttons, you see this page just automatically disappear. Start holding these two buttons again. This is unintentional. Sometimes when you let go, it just accepts this for no reason, and as you've seen, for me it didn't right now, so I don't know what the difference is, why sometimes it will, sometimes it won't, but if it does, just know what to do. Now, while you're in this mode, you will need to use volume buttons to navigate up or down depending on which one you press, and the power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected, hence why the device reboots sometimes. So going over the options, we have Reboot System Now, again takes us back to Android, Reboot to bootloader, and enter Fastboot mode. I believe both of them will actually be Fastboot mode, but I am going to check this at the end right here. Next we have apply updates from SD card, wipe data, enter safe mode, view lags, run tests, and power off. So anyway, I'm going to stick with the second option just so I can check what this is. And it is a Fastboot mode. I can see it right here. It is being cut out a little bit by the rounded corners of this device, but it is this mode. Now to leave it from here, I believe I will need to either hold just the power button or power button and volume down. We'll see which one turns it off. Looks like it's just the power button. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.